So here we go. Who's it going to be? Sexton. Kira Brady. Tolan inside. And first basket. Destiny Robinson off the pass for the two. Maya Ryan on top. Emer Dunn. Ryan spins it. On the top, going for the tree, just not falling. Brady. Robinson. Big rebounds by Emer Dunn. Maya Ryan on the drive. Draws the foul. She'll be going to the line, shoot two. First foul on number 13, Kira Tolan. Just not falling for Maya Ryan. Sexton. Brady. Tolan up top. Swings it. 3-point attempt. Ryan. Dunn. Hard inside pass, gives it up top, shots up, and that's a 3 points, Janine Giles. Carlo with the lead, early stage. Robinson with the jumper. Destiny Robinson starting the game well. Foul is called on number 18, Amelia Sexton. First foul. Ryan. Inside pass. Off the glass. Foul is called on number 11. Destiny Robinson, that's her first foul. Emer Dunn to the line, shoot two. First one good. Sides 11 4-piece. 7:55 gone. I should say remaining. First quarter. Sexton. From downtown. Amelia Sexton with the three. Beautiful pass inside. And a lovely 2 points. Joanna Ryan with a beautiful basket for Carlo. Sexton beats it inside. Big rebounds. Robinson will go to the line, shoot two. Foul's called on number 8, Joanna Ryan. First foul. First one good. And two. Destiny 6-point game high. Few commands, Robinson. Down low, and 2 points again. What a try. What a break. Basket is good. Foul's called on number 8, Joanna Ryan. That's her second foul. Beg your pardon. Foul was called on number 9, Janae Giles. Carl. Ryan tries to beat it inside, stolen away. Tolan to Robinson, on the way. Foul's called on number 9, Janae Giles. That's her second foul. Destiny Robinson to the line, coach. 2. First one good. And 2. 100% from the free throw line, Destiny Robinson. Maya Ryan. Giles. Giles with the jumper. That's a beautiful 2. Janae Giles made that look so easy. Neil Tolan. Stolen away. Carlo at the drive. Taken away. Tolan. Kira Tolan. Just not falling. Ball goes loose. Foul's called on number 15, Emer Dunn. First foul. Substitution. Into the game, number 15, Jane Larkin. Brady with the inbound. To the hands of Sexton. Guarded by Ryan. Tolan. Two-point attempt, not falling. Giles on the drive. Thompson to the side. 3-point attempt. Still alive for Carlo. 3 points. Janae Giles. 8-point game high. 15 points to 11. Just 4 between them. 5-10 remaining in the first quarter. And that's a beautiful 2. Maya Ryan. Janae Giles on the drive. Beautiful basket once again. Janae Giles. 10-point game high. Robinson just losing out. Into the game, number 16, Laura McFarland. Ryan, Giles. Giles launches one. Done with the Just stepping over the line, she loses out. Possession back to the Eagles. Sexton with the jumper. Between the sides, 17 points to 13. 4 minutes now remaining in the first quarter. Let's hear you get behind the teams. Come on, let's hear you. Foul's called on number 16, Laura McFarland. First foul. Both teams now on 14 fouls. Ryan. Giles up top. Guarded by Tolan. Tolan does well. It's a steal. Robinson. Just not falling for the Eagles at the minute. Timeout call with 3:32 remaining in the first quarter. It's the Eagles that lead, 17 points to 13. .332 remaining, first quarter. 17 points to 13. Eagles lead. Maya Ryan. Guarded by Sexton. Ryan pumps it. McFarland. Inside to Larkin. Knocks it alive. Robinson under the basket, just not falling, taken away. Carlo now. Big steal, Jane Larkin. Back into the game, number 12, Kieran Brady. Also back into the game, number 13, Kieran Tolan. Lovely feed down low. Basket is good. Foul's called on number 13. Kieran Tolan. Basket was good for Janae Giles, and she now goes for the bonus. And she gets it. 13-point game high, Janae Giles. Now just 1 point between the sides. Come on, let's hear you get behind the teams. McFarland. Sexton for the tree, not falling. Draws the foul. Foul's called on number 18, Amelia Sexton. That's her second foul. Team fouls. So Maya Ryan goes to the line to shoot 2. First one good. And 2. 2 points for Maya Ryan. Her side now take the lead by 1. It's 18 points to 17. 3 points. Amelia Sexton. Her side now take the lead. It's 20 points to 18. 3-point attempt by Giles, just not falling. McFarland. Possession back with Carlo. Ryan looking for a way forward. Larkin with a feed to Brady. Sexton. Tolan to Brady. Beautiful fake. Still not falling. Larkin with the rebounds. Fed up top. Tolan with the rebounds. Off the glass and 2. Can you keep up with the play? I can't. Giles. Sexton with the long pass. Brady. Off the glass and 2. The Eagles have broken. Carroll. All the way through, and that's a beautiful basket. And the Carroll goes right through. Gets the 2. Tolan. Brady. Pumps it. McFarland. Still McFarland off the glass. Just not falling. 24 points to 20. And another beautiful move by Anna Carroll all the way through. 2 points separating the sides.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5.
Sexton. She hits the 2. Amelia Sexton hits the 2 on the buzzer. 26 points to 22. The Eagles lead. Well, that was an exciting finish to the first quarter. As we left it, it's 26-22. Eagles lead. Just 4 points between the sides. Janae Giles is on 13 points, game high. Amelia Sexton then on 10, and Destiny Robinson on 8. Maya Ryan, Emer Dunn. Dunn looks for a way inside. Taken though. Eve Tolan. Sexton. 2-point attempt, not coming up. Brady with the rebounds. Keeps it alive for the Eagles. Swung up top. Sexton. Down low. Tolan. Ryan. Foul's called on number 11, Destiny Robinson. That's her second foul. Janae Giles goes to the line, shooting 2. First one good. And 2. Super free throw shooting, Janae Giles. Sexton. Eve Tolan. Robinson. Swings it. Sexton puts it down low. Inside. Taken away by Dunn. To the hands of Ryan. Ryan on the drive. And she gets the basket. Maya Ryan with a beautiful 2. Draws the foul. She'll go to the line. Basket is good. Carlo, once again with the lead by 1, 27-26. Sexton. 3 points, Amelia Sexton. She is shooting well. Robinson on the drive, and 2 points. Beautiful pass by Kira Brady to find Destiny Robinson. Ryan, Rarity. Dunn inside, guarded by Tolan. Foul's called on number 15, Emer Dunn. That's her second foul. 31-27. Eagles by 4. Back into game number 11, Emma Carroll for SETU Carlo. Behind the shot clock. Sexton. Robinson. Big rebounds. Section back to Carroll. Carroll at the drive. Draws the foul. Foul's called on number 7, Niamh Tolan. That's her second foul. Emma Carroll goes to the line, shooting 2. First one is good. Line break. Basket doesn't count. 31-28. Eagles lead. Just 3 in it. Sexton to Brady. Niamh Tolan. Robinson down low, wins it. Robinson off the glass. Just not falling. Janae Giles for the jumper, doesn't fall. Tolan to Robinson. Robinson to Sexton. Sexton leaves it to Tolan on the drive. Robinson into the glass. Draws the foul, doesn't make the basket, but she'll go to the line, shooting 2. Foul's called on number 8, Joanna Ryan. That's her third. Second foul. First one's good. Destiny Robinson. Substitution Eagles into the game. Number 10, Emma Tolan, and number 14, Casey Mulvey. Carroll. Giles. Guarded by Tolan. Berkey off the pass. Big rebounds. Sexton over the half. Emma Tolan draws the foul. Foul's called on number 11, Emma Carroll. First foul. Emma Tolan to the line, shooting 2. First one is good. Rebounds, Mulvey pumps it. Swung, Tolan, Emma Tolan. Sexton up top. 2, 3 points. Amelia Sexton. 16-point game high. Carroll. Into the game, number 6, Kira Brady Jr. as timeout is called by Carlo. It's 37-28. Eagles lead, 5:42 remaining in the second quarter. Here we go, 37-28. It's a 9-point lead for McAvoy's Calvin Eagles. 5:42 remaining in the second quarter. Kieran Rady, Jr. Mosley inside. Pumps it back. Robinson grabs it. Tolan. Carlo. Janae Giles. Carroll. Giles up top. Ryan pumps it inside. Eber Dunn. Just not falling. Well worked. Stolen away. Stolen Brearty. Ryan for three. Carroll with the rebounds. Ryan up top. Takes the drive. Checked away by Mulvey. Robinson. Foul's called on number 7. Zoe Briarty. Destiny Robinson to the line, shooting 2. First one just didn't want to fall. Giles. Ryan. Carroll up top. 3-point attempt. We were done with it. Meyer Ryan on the break gets the 2. 7 points now between the sides. Logie under the basket. Giles. The session staying with Carlo. 15 on the shot clock. Ryan, Rarity, Carroll. Ball's been swung. Carroll on the drive. Sexton, weaving her way through. Amelia Sexton, be the tree, see the tree. Points now to 30. 3:15 remaining second quarter. Sexton. Went for the tree, not falling this time. Rarity takes it. Guarded well. Beautiful display on defense by Anna Tolan. Tolan on the guard drive, just losing out. Giles. Sexton, over the half. Eagles on the break. Robinson. Three-point attempt, big rebounds. Casey Mulvey under the basket, just not falling. Emma Carroll. Maya Ryan with a big rainbow three, just not falling. Taken away. Two minutes now remaining in the second quarter. Sexton, setting the play. Ready. Celts both sides. Seconds now remaining on the shot clock. Three. Laura McFarland comes off the bench and hits a beautiful three. Tolan. Sexton. Swings it. Three-point attempt just got ball, but kept alive. Still. And two. Kira Tolan went to jumper for two. Timeout called with 56 seconds remaining in the second quarter. It's 43 to 30. Eagles now with a 13-point lead. Down to the last 50 seconds of the second quarter. 43-30. Big steal by Ryan. Carlo on the break. And the basket is good. Maya Ryan gets the basket. She'll go to the line for the bonus. Fouls called on number 12, number 13, Kira Tolan.